Hi everyone, welcome back to the Ranger Shop. So in this episode, we're going to talk about a common problem with these trucks, especially if you do a body lift on them. Now you got this hitch hanging down, and this is driving me crazy. Oftentimes when I'm off-road, I go over a big hill or a bump, and it catches on this, especially when I'm towing my trailer. So let's talk about how we can fix this. I think I've got a good solution. So what I did is I bought one of these multi-universal hitches off of Amazon clearance. It was an open box. I think it was about half price. I think I paid about 120 bucks for it. And I'll post the link in the description if you want to check it out there. But there, this is a Reese. I think there's a few different brands. And what they do is they give you this section here. So you've got the center section, and then the end arms slide in. And then these little feet here attach to the frame. So normally in the way that it's installed is like this. This would slide into there, and then these end feet would go on there like that, and then that would be bolted to the bottom of your frame. But in this situation, since I'm trying to get it up higher, I'm thinking that I might do it like this. So you see how this is the reverse. This is how it would go like this, but I've basically taken the piece for that side and I put it in this side down. And then I was thinking I would take and I'd bolt this piece on like that. So that should give me a hitch that's almost level with my frame coming out. Coming straight out off my frame. So I'm gonna see. It's going to require me cutting the that piece of metal that goes over top of the spare tire carrier, but we'll cut that out of there. We'll pull my old hitch off, and then we'll see if this thing fits. And then if this video is posted, you know it does. Let's get started. We're going to rip this hitch out of here and then cut back that metal to start fitting and playing around with this universal hitch. Okay, so the hitch is out now. Now this part right here we're going to cut out. I'm just going to cut it right here and then grind it off of here. So there we go. We've got the bolts in here. These are actually splined, so that's in there nice and tight. I think this is one solid unit now. Now we need to install these bolts in here, and that they just go through this hole here. Here they are. So basically you use metal screw on, kind of like a helical coil type thing. They screw onto the end of that, and then you just take this and thread it through the hitch. So that's it. Job's done. That's pretty tight. I don't think you can get much better than that without just removing it. These things are hanging down a little bit. Don't really like that, but again, it's not a deal breaker for me. It's okay. So, just nice and short and quick. Hope you liked it. It's maybe some ideas of what to do if you do have a body lift and you're trying to figure out a hitch. But I'll keep you posted whether everything holds tight. Anyways, till the next one, you guys take care. Talk to you later. Bye.